everyone, it's your girl Tiffany N Benson, aka Lady Arabella. So excited, it's our next episode of Models, Tips, and Tricks. Yay! In this episode, we are going to talk about branding yourself as a model, and then we also have our monthly shootouts, models from the model contest. So you guys can pick and choose which model you like best by voting down below. So if you want to learn how to brand yourself as a model, then keep on watching. Guys, so one of the first and most important things I think that you want to consider when it comes to your model branding is your overall SEO. For those of you that don't know what that means, SEO means search engine optimization. So you want to know basically what it looks like when people Google you, because not only is modeling going to be something that you love doing, something that you get paid for doing, but it's also going to be your business. So you are your own business. So one of the things I always suggest to people is to Google yourself. See what happens when you Google yourself. Are your pictures there, or is it other people's pictures there? Is craziness going on? Are you already competing with another already famous model and actress? Just check it out and see. The other thing you want to do is make sure that your name is available in your .com, because .coms weight a lot more when it comes to SEO, but make sure your name is available for like your domain. So I've had models that say they want to go by a model name instead of their actual birth name. So you want to see if that model name is available, as well as if you're going by your birth name, you want to see if that name is available too as well. Because if you can't have good SEO, and if you can't be searched on the internet or have any of your pages say your name, then it's going to be a little hard calling yourself that. So you want to make sure that your name's available in your .com, and then also kind of see where you're at and who you're competing with when it comes to you picking your name for your brand. So the next thing you want to do too is make sure that all of your branding matches. I know this might seem like something that everybody just automatically does, but it is not. Like, you can't be like, you know, your name on one website and Sexy Baby 35 on another website. Like, you want to have all of your branding matching to where that if somebody were to Google you, everything pops up. Also, if you were giving out your social media or trying to put it on a business card, you don't have all these different types of names and all these different types of craziness. So I know sometimes it's a little impossible when it comes to different social medias and different modeling websites, but try and get something as close as possible to what your model name is, because you don't want to have something totally different, because it's going to make you're more rememberable if somebody can say, okay, I'm looking for Tiffany N Benson, and then find me on modeling websites, social media, my personal website, and all that fun stuff. So, you know, don't sell yourself short or, you know, harm yourself by choosing all these different names for all these different websites. Just be who you are, be yourself, and pick a name. So next, I would start saying to those that are always having questions about what kind of photos should I have in my portfolio, what type of things should I be shooting. The one thing you want to really consider is what type of jobs you're interested in going for. So if you want to be in something very super high fashion, where, you know, you want to be in like Milan and stuff like that, then you want to start having those photos in your portfolio and on your website. If you want to do something more commercial and be the girl in the JCPenney ads or different things like that, then you want to have a lot more commercial photos. My thing when it comes to me deciding on what my brand was, and over time my brand developed too as I got older, different things appealed to me and different jobs became available to me based on, you know, me being in my 30s and me looking different. But I looked at different things that I like to do and different roles and jobs that I knew that I could pull off well. So those are the types of photos that I decided to take and put on my website, put in my portfolio, and on my social media. one of the other really big things too is that you want to make sure that you have diversity. Like, you want to show that you can do different jobs. So when you're picking these different types of photos that you want to show, make sure that you're showing diversity within those photos. So I have selected a couple of my photos so you can kind of see some of the diversity and some of the extremes that I've decided to go with for my personal brand. So I hope that kind of helps when it comes to deciding what your brand is going to be and kind of how you want to structure it. Up next, we have some of the models from our monthly Arabella Shootout. These models were also featured in Dear Arabella magazine, which I will put a link below to. And they are featured so that you can pick which one you like the best. For those of you that don't know, Arabella Models, my company, we do a monthly shootout to help models build their brands, build their portfolios, and just overall experience. So this month's theme for February was pinup, and we shot it at Bob's Tire Corral, which thank you so much, Bob's, for hosting us and letting us use your location to do our photo shoot. So without further ado, here goes our models for February. Make sure you guys pick a great one. The winning model does need to win by 20 votes, so tell your friend to vote for your favorite model, and the one that wins does get a $25 gift card. All right, guys, check them out. So I hope you had fun, and I hope you like some of my tips, and I hope you pick a great model for us that you think should win. So good luck on all your auditions, good luck on your branding. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We have finally made it over 250 subscribers, so yay, really excited about that. That's exciting. So hit the subscribe button, hit it just before you leave. Just go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the Arabella fam. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And until next time, fly high, my Bella butterflies.